Welcome to mathematics class with Mr. Afolabi. In this class, we'll be treating linear inequalities. Now, before we proceed, let's now first of all study the rules and signs of linear inequalities. The first sign we have there is greater than, which is like our right arm, and followed by less than, greater than or equals to, less than or equals to. Now, the rule says when we multiply or divide by a negative number, the sign of inequalities changes. That is, if the question is giving us greater than and we are now multiplying that greater than by a negative number or divided by a negative number, it changes to less than. Now let's now practice some questions so we can understand this better. Example 1 says solve and represent on a number line. Solving this, we have two examples here, and in that two examples, let's solve the first one. The first one says x plus 5 is greater than 8, so therefore we can now subtract 5 from both sides using our normal simple equation method. So it's now going to be x plus 5 minus 5 is greater than 8. In this case, this 5 can cancel now this 5, but we have to subtract 5 from this as well. So we now have x is now greater than 8 minus 5 is 3. So therefore x is greater than 3. Now representing this on a number line, we have it to be this. So the middle is always 0. Now since this number that we have here is a positive number, it's going to be on the right hand side of the 0. But if it is a negative number, it's going to be on the left hand side. So for a positive number, it's going to be 3 here. And the question now says, the answer now says x is greater than 3. That means x is likely to be 4, 5 or 6 or more. So it's now going to be this, and we do this on 8. So now that is our x is now going to where it belongs, because x is greater than 3. So any number that we'll be writing after 3 is going to be greater than 3. And we are now going to shade this. This one is going to be ordinary circle. But if it is greater than or equals to, we are going to shade it. Now example 2 says minus 2x minus 3 is less than or equals to 5. In this case, we can now add 3 to both sides. So we have minus 2x minus 3 plus 3 is less than or equals to 5 plus 3. So this can now cancel this. We are left with minus 2x is less than or equals to 5 plus 3 is 8. Now we are now dividing both sides by minus 2, minus 2. So minus 2 cancel minus 2. We are left with x is now greater than or equals to minus 4. Because it's now greater than or equals to minus 4, because we have divided by a negative number, which is minus 2. So the sign of this sign changes to this. Now since it is now less than minus 4, we are representing it on a number line. This is going to be 0, the middle, and minus 4 is going to be somewhere around here. So since it's now greater than minus 4, it's going to be tending towards this side that is greater than, and we are going to shade this place. We are going to shade here. Now that is this. So now we have some assignments here. So the assignment says 4x plus 3 is greater than 11. We are going to solve this, and we have to represent it on a number line. Thank you very much for listening. I remain Mr. Afolabi. Have a wonderful day.